Dear friends, today's topic is how to use picture dictionary in Microsoft Edge. Let us open the Microsoft Edge browser. Go to any site. I am going to techcrunch.com. So this is the techcrunch.com website. So I am clicking this Daily Crunch. Google Earth gets an update. This is an article where we will use picture dictionary in order to understand the meaning of the words. So this is the write-up. Now, in order to go to picture dictionary, just right click. Now just go to read mode. This is the read mode. Okay. Select it and then open. Okay. Select some. Okay. Or one thing we do. Okay. Let me select this first. Let me select Ctrl A. Then you right click, then select open in immersive reader. Just select it. Okay, this is the article. Okay. Now, in order to find this picture dictionary, just go to reading preferences, and in default mode this is off. Now you keep it on. Okay, in the default mode this is off. Now keep it on. Picture dictionary. When your cursor changes to a star, select the word to see a picture. Okay, now come back here, then try to move the cursor on the sentences. See here, Google Earth. So click on to the Earth. This is the Earth. This is called picture dictionary. Then gives, right? By seeing the picture itself, we can understand the meaning of the words. This is what we call it as picture dictionary. Then new. Okay, new. Look, seeing. Okay, changing planet. Okay, test. Right, new. Business. The big. Okay, story. Earth gets. Okay, update. Describing this. What is meant by describing? It's a picture dictionary. So this star like when it comes, only then you have to click it in order to find out the picture dictionary. biggest, update, really, addition, bringing together, satellite, photos, past, yes, reveal, climate, change, offers, tours, focused, forest, change, growth, temperatures, more, right? So this is a process how to use picture dictionary in Microsoft Edge. Okay, in order to off that option, just go to reading preferences and click off, right? So if you want to activate picture dictionary, just click on, okay, then come back. Okay, so this is a process how to use picture dictionary in Microsoft Edge. Thank you, hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Thank you.